This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your old model Swift to Bluetooth. First, ensure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. Next, access the Bluetooth menu on your Swift's infotainment screen. You will then initiate the pairing sequence, either from your phone's settings or directly through your car's display. This initial setup is crucial for a successful connection. Once in the Bluetooth menu, select the option to add new device or pair device on your Swift screen. Simultaneously, look for your Swift's specific Bluetooth name, often Suzuki Swift or similar, on your phone's available devices list. Tap on it to connect. A pairing code, typically a 4 or 6-digit number, will appear on both devices. Confirm they match to complete the secure connection. If you encounter connection difficulties, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your mobile phone and your Swift's infotainment system completely. Sometimes, a fresh start resolves minor glitches. Also, delete any previously failed or old pairings from both your phone and the car's memory. Finally, ensure your phone is physically close, within about 3 feet, to the car's head unit during the pairing process. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy several convenient Bluetooth features. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls, keeping your focus on the road. Easily stream your favorite music, audiobooks, or podcasts directly through your Swift sound system. Additionally, many older Swift models support basic voice commands for navigation and media control, enhancing your driving experience with added convenience and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.